Hey guys, I'm Bob and this is Janene. Right now we're sitting in the 2020 202 inboard outboard. This is one of our best-selling IOs. This boat we've had for a long time, but it's still a classic in our lineup. It's one of the most luxurious boats that we build in this lineup, and it only comes in inboard outboard. It comes anywhere from 200 to 270 horse. And when you put a 270 in the back, this thing is really, really quick. It's got a powered deck lid. It's got incredible upholstery. Janene, tell me about this new upholstery. This is beautiful.
Yeah, this is the new Sport Ice White with the radical red accent, nice sport constant accent. So this is a new interior for 2020.
It is really sharp. I really like the accents. I really like the new radical red color. That's beautiful on this boat.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
As you can tell, this has got an optional arch on it. This thing is a massive arch. You can see it's through bolted. You can pull your water sports from up here. It's really, really well built. It's got a standard rear canopy on it right here. Comes back out this way. This has got the gray marine matte flooring in it, which I really like. And I really like the high seat backs. Do you?
Yeah,
I love it.
Absolutely. It feels nice and safe and like a really sit down into the boat.
The helm's really nicely laid out as well. Great visibility, tilt steering on it. This has got the optional Lowrance system on it, which is a wonderful package. You can put a fish package on the boat, but this particular one doesn't have it, but tremendous storage throughout. While we're down here, you can notice we've got the Fusion system on this boat. Really nice paired Bluetooth system with 4 speakers, very high quality. Storage all the way through. Great storage underneath on the mate side. Cup holders all the way through the front. And one of the nice things about this boat is this boat has hinged seats. So really nicely done. All fiberglass lined on the inside, completely fiberglass tub storage on the inside with drains, which makes it really, really nice to use. This boat can have a bow filler cushion, so we could put a complete sun pad in this particular boat. Up front, huge ice well. Also doubles as a live well. Really high backs in this, very comfortable boat. Let's move around to the back. I want to show you guys the stern platform on this. This has got to be the biggest stern platform we build on any boat. It's awesome.
Yep. This boat is equipped with the optional swim platform, but it provides a ton of extra place to move around. Easy climb ladder back here with its own storage system. Again, all covered with that same great gray and black line marine mat.
I know this has become really popular. A lot of our customers like this boat because it protects the stern drive below when the kids are jumping off the back or you're doing those water sports or just sitting at the sandbar. Kind of keeps everything protected up underneath. When that stern drive's tucked down below, it's way up underneath this. Yep. Really makes it nice when the kids are jumping off the back swimming, right?
Sure does, whether they're gearing up to get on their wakeboards, get on the tube, gives you plenty of place to get ready for all those activities.
It's really kind of impressive how much detail we put into all the marine mat parts. I mean, anywhere you're going to step, we've got a non-skid surface, and I think that's a big plus. I think a lot of our competitors just don't have that level of detail on their non-skid. They put 1 or 2 pieces on it and say, oh, it's a non-skid boat. You can see what we've done at Hurricane is anywhere someone could step on a surface, we've put a non-skid pad. Janene, the front of this boat, again, is very large, very spacious, but it really looks deluxe. What makes this so deluxe?
Well, this one's got the beautiful stainless steel rub rail. You got your pull-up cleats that are nice to get out of the way. You don't have any of those toe stubbers. Just like in the back, you have that same nice easy climb ladder with its own storage surface. And down in here is a great spot to put your anchor right where you need it. Cleat to tie off your anchor. Nice entry right into the bow. Again,
non-skid pad. Very nice textured surface on here, all non-skid. This is really well laid out. Hey, Janene, I'm a big fan of a black boat. I love the way a black boat. Tell me about this package for 2020.
Absolutely. This is the black narrowband pitch black gel coat with the shadow gray graphics. Ties in very nicely with the sport interior on the inside and the black tower. Yeah, it really ties the whole boat together. The bright white is really pretty. I can imagine on the water, this boat's just breathtaking. Well, this is the 2020 202 IO inboard outboard. This particular boat has the tower on it, as you've seen. It's got the deluxe interior. It's got non-skid everywhere on it. It's just a great family boat for those of you that prefer an inboard outboard boat. I'm Bob, this is Janene. Hey, thanks for watching. We appreciate you looking at the boat.